Okay, so I have a HTC One M9 here, and basically you have an issue with your speakers. Basically, you're getting very low volume, or maybe you're hearing rattling sound, or in this phone here I had popping sound, crackling sound. Okay, now you can see, first of all, you can see that the grills are here, and basically what's happening is dirt and dust, grime is getting into here, and even if you get your phone like wet, it'll basically clutter up all the dust particles inside here. So if you ever took your phone apart when we had issues with the speakers, you can see like dirt all behind all the grill here. But before you actually open up your phone, let me show you the easiest way to basically fix this right here and right now. Okay, get yourself a toothbrush, and this works for not only these phones but all of them, even your other phones that you have like little mini grills like on the bottom, like on this phone here. It's the same thing. So this is what you want to do. Okay, you want to grab a toothbrush just like this, and what you want to do is you want to get in there, keep doing this, and then you want to go like that and go keep blowing on that. Okay, and actually what you can do too is you can actually go ahead and put a song on or music on right now and keep doing this as the song is on. Okay, and you should start hearing it, the volume get clearer or better or even like louder. So keep doing that. Blow it in there. Constantly do that. I have air duster too that I used to blow it out with these speakers here. But now, I mean, honestly, the only thing, you don't even need that. You just gotta like blow it with your mouth. Blow it on your mouth. Just go in there. Break up all that dust and that grime out of there. Okay. And same with the top speaker. Just keep doing that, and it's great if I mean this phone's fixed, but if you had your music on or like whatever, any kind of movie or whatever playing on there, and as you're cleaning it, you should start hearing your volume get better. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions or anything, just comment below. All right, if you guys subscribe, like, share, that'd be awesome. Thanks. Bye.